Looking for a natural way to cleanse your liver, get that radiant glow, and boost your iron levels? Hibiscus isn't just a beautiful flower, it is a powerhouse of health benefits. Today I will show you 3 powerful hibiscus juice recipes that are delicious, refreshing, and packed with nutrients your body will love. Let's get this started. If you have fresh hibiscus flowers, you can use them. If not, dried hibiscus petals work just as well. First, take the hibiscus flowers and remove the unnecessary parts. Only keep the petals. If using fresh petals, wash them gently. In a pot, bring 1½ cups of water to a boil. Then add the hibiscus petals. Let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Recipe number 1. Hibiscus and carrot juice. Chop the carrots. Strain the hibiscus tea into a cup. Add carrots to the blender. Pour in the hibiscus tea. Blend until smooth. Strain the mixture into a glass. Add honey and fresh lime juice. Mix well and drink fresh. Recipe number 2. Hibiscus and beetroot juice. Chop the beetroot. Add beetroot, hibiscus tea and ½ inch ginger into the blender. Blend until smooth. Strain into a glass. Add lime juice. Mix well and drink fresh. Recipe number 3. Hibiscus, spinach and yellow watermelon juice. Take cup of washed spinach leaves. Chop the watermelon and remove seeds. Smash the ginger. Add watermelon, spinach, hibiscus tea and ginger to the blender. Blend until smooth. Strain into a glass. Add lime juice and a pinch of black pepper. Mix well and drink fresh. And there you have it. 3 powerful hibiscus juice recipe to detox your liver, nourish your skin, and give your body a natural iron boost. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss more healthy recipes like this.